The third item is saying Masibuyele Ekhaya. That song is a song that is being sung by the people when they are brought overseas. When they are saying Masibuyele Ekhaya, we are saying we must go back to our homes, where we grow well there. So that the title of the song is saying Masibuyele Ekhaya. It begins to say that we are going back to our motherland, or we are going back to our home. So thank you very much for that.
Masibu